Are you tired of feeling like your bank is stuck in the last century? In 2026, managing your money should be as easy as ordering a pizza from your phone. But with so many new options popping up, it's easy to get overwhelmed. You've got digital banks, crypto this, BNPL that. Where do you even start? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're cutting through the noise. I'm going to share the ultimate digital banking tips specifically for young adults in February 2026. These are the strategies that will not only save you time and money, but also set you up for financial success. So if you're ready to take control of your finances and make your money work for you, stick around. You won't want to miss this. First up, let's talk about the biggest game changer, fully digital banks. You might know them as neobanks. Think about it, no more waiting in long lines, no more weird branch hours. Everything happens right on your phone. These banks have completely transformed how we handle our money, and if you're not on board yet, you're missing out. One of the best things about them is the super low fees. Traditional banks often hit you with monthly maintenance fees, overdraft fees, and all sorts of hidden charges. Digital banks, on the other hand, usually have zero monthly fees and much lower costs overall because they do not have the expense of physical branches. This means more of your hard-earned money stays right where it belongs, in your pocket. Another huge advantage is the user experience. Their apps are designed to be incredibly intuitive and user-friendly. You can open an account in minutes right from your couch. You can track your spending with automatic categorization, set up savings goals with just a few taps, and get real-time notifications for every transaction. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about the perks. Many digital banks offer features like early direct deposit, meaning you can get your paycheck up to 2 days sooner. Imagine getting paid on Wednesday instead of Friday. It can be a lifesaver when bills are due. They also often have built-in budgeting tools that make it ridiculously easy to see where your money is going. No more complicated spreadsheets. The app does the work for you, categorizing your spending on food, transport, and entertainment, so you can easily identify where you can cut back. Plus, international travel is way easier. Many digital banks offer cards with no foreign transaction fees, which is a massive saving if you love to explore the world. So how do you choose the right one? First, check their security features. Make sure they are properly insured, just like a traditional bank. In the US, look for FDIC insurance, which protects your deposits. Second, read reviews and compare features. Do you need robust budgeting tools? Are you interested in investing options? Some digital banks now offer integrated platforms to buy stocks or even crypto. Finally, consider their customer service. Since there are no physical branches, you'll be relying on in-app chat, email, or phone support. Check what other users are saying about their support experience. Don't just jump on the first one you see. Do a little homework to find the perfect fit for your lifestyle. Now let's move on to our second major topic, mastering your traditional bank's mobile app. Maybe you're not ready to completely switch to a digital-only bank, and that's perfectly fine. The good news is that most traditional banks have seriously stepped up their game with their mobile banking apps. In 2026, your bank's app is way more powerful than you might think, and it's time to use it to its full potential. The most basic feature you should be using is mobile check deposit. Seriously, there is no reason to go to a branch just to deposit a check anymore. Just snap a photo of the front and back, and you're done. It saves a ton of time. Beyond that, dive into the security settings. You can, and should, set up real-time transaction alerts. You can get a push notification or text message every time your card is used. This is one of the best ways to catch fraudulent activity instantly. If you get an alert for a purchase you didn't make, you can contact your bank immediately to shut it down. Also, enable biometric login, like Face ID or fingerprint scanning. It's not just more convenient than typing a password. It's also much more secure. Many apps also allow you to temporarily lock or unlock your card. If you misplace your wallet, you can just freeze the card from the app. And if you find it a few hours later, you can unfreeze it just as easily. But the real power lies in the money management tools that are often hidden in plain sight. Explore your app for features like Zelle or other peer-to-peer payment services. This lets you send money to friends and family instantly, right from your banking app, without needing a third-party service like Venmo or Cash App. It's fast, secure, and integrated directly with your account. You should also look for bill pay services. You can set up all your recurring bills, rent, utilities, phone, car payments, to be paid automatically from your account. This is the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it strategy to avoid late fees and protect your credit score. Just make sure you always have enough money in your account to cover the payments. Take 30 minutes this week, open your banking app, and just click on every single menu and option. You'll be surprised at what you find. Okay? Let us talk about one of the most popular and sometimes controversial topics in personal finance right now: buy now, pay later, or BNPL. You see it everywhere when you shop online, from fashion websites to electronic stores. Services like Klarna, Afterpay, and Affirm let you split your purchase into smaller, interest-free installments. It sounds like a fantastic deal, right? It can be if you use it wisely. The main appeal is that it makes big purchases feel more manageable. Instead of dropping $500 on a new phone all at once, you can pay $125 every 2 weeks for 8 weeks. This can be great for your cash flow, especially if you have an unexpected expense. However, this is where you need to be extremely careful. BNPL services are a form of debt. They are loans. The interest-free part usually only applies if you make all your payments on time. If you miss a payment, you can get hit with late fees, and in some cases, high interest charges that are applied retroactively to your entire purchase. This can quickly turn a good deal into a very expensive mistake. The biggest danger is how easy it makes it to overspend. Because the initial payment is small, you might be tempted to buy things you can't actually afford. It's a psychological trick. Seeing a payment of $25 feels a lot less painful than seeing a full price of $100. So you might end up buying 4 things instead of 1. So here's the smart way to use BNPL in 2026. Rule number 1, only use it for planned purchases that you already know you can afford. Don't use it for impulse buys. If you were already planning to buy that new laptop and have the money saved, using BNPL to manage your cash flow can be a good move. But if you see a new jacket you suddenly want and you don't have the cash for it, BNPL is not free money. Rule number 2, automate your payments or set multiple reminders. The business model of these companies relies on people forgetting to pay on time. Don't be that person. Link it to your primary bank account and make sure the funds will be there on the due dates. And finally, keep track of all your BNPL plans. It's easy to have 3 or 4 different payment plans going at once, and suddenly you have hundreds of dollars in payments due every month. Use an app or a simple spreadsheet to track what you owe and when it's due. Used responsibly, BNPL is a useful tool. Used irresponsibly, it's a fast track to debt. So, to recap, we've covered the 3 pillars of modern digital banking for young adults. First, embrace digital-only banks for their low fees, great user experience, and high-yield savings accounts. They are built for our generation. Second, become a power user of your existing bank's mobile app. Use features like mobile deposit, transaction alerts, and automated bill pay to save time and increase security. And third, approach buy now, pay later services with a clear strategy. Use them for planned, affordable purchases, and always pay on time to avoid fees and debt. By combining these strategies, you're not just managing your money, you're optimizing it. You're rebuilding a strong financial foundation that will support you as you work towards your biggest life goals. The world of finance is changing faster than ever, and staying on top of these trends is crucial. It's the difference between feeling stressed about money and feeling empowered by it. Start implementing these tips today. Open that digital bank account you've been considering. Spend some time exploring your mobile banking app. The next time you think about using BNPL, ask yourself if it's a smart financial move or just an impulse. Your future self will thank you for it. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Really hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow and reach more people just like you. And I want to hear from you. What's your favorite digital banking feature or app right now? Maybe you have a BNPL story to share, good or bad. Drop a comment down below. I read every single one. And of course, if you want more content like this to help you master your money and build a better financial future, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.